Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a budget-friendly meal that you can make for your family. The ingredients we're going to need today are 4 cups of penne pasta, 1 22-ounce jar of classic Alfredo pasta sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning, or you can use the seasoning of your choice, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add a little salt. And we're going to add in our penne pasta, and we're going to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. To a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our olive oil. And we're going to let that heat up. We're going to add in our onion. You want to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, and we're going to let that saute for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in our ground beef. So all you want to do is break up your meat and make sure that your onion and garlic is mixed all the way in. Next, we're going to season our meat. Have our ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and our adobo all-purpose seasoning. Now you want to mix it until everything is well combined. And we're going to let our ground beef cook until it's all brown. After your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Now that the pasta is done, we're going to go ahead and drain it. Once you've drained your ground beef, return it back to your pan, and we're going to add in our jar of Alfredo sauce. Okay, you want to put your heat on medium-low, and all we're going to do is mix until well combined. Now we can begin to add in our penne pasta. You can now lower your heat to low and mix your pasta in. Now you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our Alfredo with ground beef and penne. A budget-friendly meal, which is quick and easy to make for your family. Now you can go ahead and take some of the parsley flakes and just sprinkle it over top for some color. Guys, you can also add your favorite vegetable to the side. I had made some broccoli. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.